And there was one thing very smart I did. I think everybody should do that. I think maybe subconsciously we all do that. I didn't know what to do in life, which is I think 90% people's problem. कि करना क्या जिंदगी में पता नहीं है. मैंने सोचा क्या करना है नहीं पता है, क्या नहीं करना है उसकी तो लिस्ट बना ही सकता हूँ. और मेरी लिस्ट में एक ही चीज थी, 9 to 5 जॉब मैं नहीं कर सकता, मुझसे नहीं होगा.
क्यों?
नेचर होता है ना. I can't sit in one place and one for a long time. I can't do something which is not going anywhere. I cannot do that. मुझसे नहीं होगा. तो मैं सोचा कि ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकता. अब इसके अलावा बचा क्या है? Then I tried everything, photography, whatever, dancing, whatever came my way. I just kept doing, which is a smart thing to do.
And money was more difficult part कि पैसे नहीं बन रहे, कि that psychological safety कि यार अगर नहीं किया मैंने तो पापा भी नहीं है, मतलब मैं जाके जाऊं किसके पास.
I know, but वो तो fact तो है, वो तो मैं जानता हूँ उसको. I don't have to repeat that to myself कि नहीं है कुछ. But how immediate response is now.
पैसे.
I have to take over dialysis. That money I need. We need some money to survive. Bills भरने, ये करना है, वो करना है, ये कैसे करेंगे? तो वो आगे का तो बात की बात है, वो तब देखेंगे. अब यही यहाँ तो ये प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो. So it was that.
And when you, जब mom dad दोनों passed away and 1 महीने बाद रोए, 1.5 महीने बाद रोए, उसके बाद that loneliness alone.
I think Maria was there. Maria came into my life. She was a strong girl. But I see. I think staying alone. I think somewhere no. I think life and God teaches you everything. So boarding school जाके ना वो staying alone वाला factor है ना. I could live alone. अभी भी है ना, मैं अकेला रह सकता हूँ, मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. I'm telling you. कुछ नहीं होता. I will not crave for company, like I need people around me and all that. No, I can be all by myself and very happy. Does not matter to me. Does not matter that I don't mean that I don't want anybody around me. Yes, you like people, ये वो. But कहीं पे ऐसा जैसे ये वक्त आया था, I was okay. I think वो बोर्डिंग स्कूल में रह के मैं सीख गया था.